analyzing some qualified journals. As the date of this research, the research found some results as follows. First, Mugiono Widow 7 that was significant correlation between linguistic intelligence and the student academic achievement. It was proven by the result of the correlation coefficient was 0.662, which means there was a strong relationship between student linguistic intelligence and academic achievement. The participants of this study was English Education Department students. It was also found linguistic intelligence gives strong effects on student English skills, including reading comprehension. I can be sent from the data at linguistic intelligence give for the for present effect on academic achievement. Moreover, the writers also found that emotional intelligence shadowing effect on the student achievement more than that linguistic intelligence. I can be said that linguistic intelligence gives significant contribute towards student achievement and English, including reading comprehension. Actually, many studying also indicated the same result of this study, specifically reading comprehension. In other words, the student linguistic intelligence give more contribution towards student academic achievement and emotional intelligence. Second, Rahimi et al. 13 reported that linguistic intelligence became strong predictor of students' reading comprehension. Hence, participants of this study were 90 Iranian students who English majored. Practically speaking, I was also noted linguistic intelligence was related to the students' cognition, which was involved in their successful in reading comprehension. It also found that linguistic intelligence predicted students' reading performance because intelligence cognition are part of comprehension. It means that linguistic intelligence is very essential in language learning because it is involved in reading effectively as this was the case above. It is important for the teacher to make the classroom activity that is more involve students' linguistic intelligence so that come improve their ability in aging language. Third, the study that was conducted by Dewi 14, it saw that linguistic intelligence give positive influence on students' reading comprehension. Besides, the participants of this study were to Hansen are in Indonesia as students at Development Madrasah, Jakarta. From this study is claimed that the students who have good linguistic intelligence to have a good reading comprehension because English is a variable of linguistic intelligence give contribution in improving the students' reading comprehension ability. It was related with the previous study that linguistic intelligence become one of the factors that can prepare students successful in learning A because it involved the student's cognitive process. Also, they can remember general knowledge, quotes, and words silly. Next, they can explain and interpreting what they have read silly. Last, the student had good knowledge about. Based on us indicators, it can be said that the students who have dominant linguistic intelligence have tendency to have good reading comprehension. In other words, by having a good linguistic intelligence, it can enhance the students' ability in reading because they understand what they have read silently. Practical speaking, the student and the teacher should be able linguistic intelligence tests they can her learning habit and learning style as is apportioned with her intelligence so that her linguistic intelligence can be improved. The reward the teacher new ideas in teaching learning process and pushing the effort of teaching material material that fit with the student linguistic intelligence. For Dewi and Wilani, 15 attempted that there was a significant correlation between linguistic intelligence and reading comprehension. It was shown from Deacon with 068, which means that linguistic intelligence gives positive influence toward reading comprehension. Moreover, the writer also explained that the student's linguistic intelligence can be seen from the following indicators. First, his students can read a story or essay about their daily experience. Second, they can express their ideas clearly. Third, the student has rich vocabulary. Fourth, his students enjoy in reading many kinds of the text such a book, whatever magazine, ads, which the student can spell the words in correct language as well. 6. They like listening to a story. 7. They can do a storytelling. It can be inferred than its students. Linguistic intelligence can be seen by their interest in asking a. Besides, in learning process, it is crucial to use the appropriate strategy based on the student's linguistic intelligence in order to achieve good reading comprehension because linguistic intelligence can reflect the student useful in reading comprehension. Fifth, Aulia and Nuardi 16 found that there was significant correlation between the student linguistic intelligence and reading comprehension with the data showing that 45.6% of the students' reading comprehension was influenced by the student's linguistic intelligence, which means linguistic intelligence have contribution toward reading comprehension. Then, the participant of this study was 55 Indonesian students. It also mentioned that the students' reading comprehension will be improved if their linguistic intelligence increased. 10. The participants of this study was 55 Indonesia students. It also mentioned that the students' reading comprehension will be improved if their linguistic intelligence increased. As it was discussed above, the students' reading comprehension can be improved if they develop their linguistic intelligence because it can help them in using the language effectively. Thus, it is important for the student to develop their linguistic intelligence by following some activities that relate with language learning. For example, by reading a lot, writing a story, and retell the story, also playing the words game. 6. Hasanuddin and Fitrianingsih 17 found that were some indicators of linguistic intelligence of students in reading subjects. First, the student had excellent knowledge in mentioning words, such as they can express the words in him mean just by reading the title of the book. Second, the students were enjoying wordplay. For example, in doing the escape games, they can answer with questions and erect the word correct. Here, they can explain the meaning of the words that they have read a discussion. Where first, most students were having this class in mathematics lesson. They prefer English, social, and history lesson that mathematics. Thus, they data showed that the only answered the mathematics questions random because it was difficult for them. They also prefer reading short stories. Fifth, in doing the conversation, they assert some words that relate to something they have read and heard before, such as the first that they had heard from their classmates and the words that they had read from articles. 6. The student had the ability in writing the plots based on their personal experience, in line with the findings above. The indicators of linguistic intelligence can be seen through the student's characteristic in learning process. Therefore, it can be inferred that the students who have good linguistic intelligence tend to have creative thinking because they can read poems and read in front of their classmates. In contrast, based on Erlina et al. It was found that there was a minimum number of students who had dominant linguistic intelligence on their study. Thus, the participant of this study was 28 Indonesia. Under students also, the writers mentioned that the aim of this study was not for generalization, but the result of the study was shown by phenomena in learning a language. Result showed some aspect of the student's linguistic intelligence. First aspect is heroic, that is the ability in using the language effectively to persuade others. However, the result showed that only 3 of 28 students who used the language effectively to persuade others. 4 instances of students had lack of linguistic factory in persuading others and delivering their ideas in spoken and written form. Second aspect is mnemonic, that is the ability in memorizing the information. It was found only 2 of 28 students who can remember and retell the information of the story of the text that they have read. Aspect is explanation, that is the ability in delivering the information oral and written aid. It was found that the students still face difficulties in using descriptive and figurative language in order to deliver their aid. Also, only one student who aced it well when she wrote and form aspect is metalinguistic, that is the ability in learning the language it spell out. It showed that in reading class the students were active participants in asking the questions about the works that they did not familiar. From this result, it can be seen that in reading activity, the students still had the curiosity in learning and language, even though they still faced difficulties in delivering their thought in spoken and written form. Last, Reza and Tabrigi 18 found that linguistic intelligence was the most significant predictor of the students' reading comprehension among the multiple intelligence types. It also found that the students with high linguistic intelligence were able to use the language actively, that they were typically good at reading, playing word games, memory words, storytelling, and making property. In line with reading, has Hemi 18 also adds that linguistic intelligence made the strong contribution in predicting the student reading comprehension. First, the students still not aware about their linguistic intelligence. However, it is crucial for the teacher to give the chance for the student to develop their linguistic intelligence in classroom. For instance, by creating a learning strategy that relates with playing word games and storytelling that involves the student's ability in using a language. It is also supported by Garden in Arnold and Fonesca 20, who state the is important to know and develop the individual's different types of intelligence, including linguistic intelligence, because all of the individuals are different to each other. They have the combination of intelligence. For visit on the result of this research, it found that students' linguistic intelligence have significant contribution toward reading comprehension. Hence, the students should give more attention toward their linguistic intelligence because it helps them to improve their ability in reading.